Wow, that has come out even better than what I had hoped for. In today's experiment, I have been using paints which are thicker than what I would normally use. The kind of paints that when mixed up, you can stand in a stir stick in the middle and the stick will stay there for quite a while before it starts to slowly edge its way back to the side of the cup. There was silicone added to just one of the paints, and that was the antique white. Otherwise there was a little bit of isopropyl alcohol in the black added to the cup, but not the black added to the signboard. So I better stop doing that, I suppose, hadn't I? It's just I can see so many bubbles, but they're going to have to work their own way out, as I've got a beautiful pattern of little wee cells now. The thing is, instead of adding the silicone to the paint, I added it to my pouring medium, probably a couple of weeks ago. And so by adding it to the pouring medium, I could guarantee those tiny little cells that you can see. So I just went away for 5 minutes to allow the lacing and cells to develop. Wow, they really have come through. Even with the paint being so thick, which has also shown me something new, because in the past I found that I get the cells coming through a lot better with not very thin, but certainly thinner paint. So that has been well worth the experiment. So I will bring it up now to show you. Before I do, I will point out before I bring it up that this patch going right through here reminds me a little bit of leopard skin. Probably just my flight of fancy, but I will bring it up closer to the light to show you so you can see for yourself what I am talking about. Just so pretty. I'm just loving this with all its beautiful colours, tiny little cells. The red and yellow have certainly taken over. I must admit, I did take quite a bit of the orange out. But also, as you can see, the off-white has blended in just beautifully, and with having a little bit of black negative space, that finally rounds off my picture. So that has been well worth doing today. I've loved it, and I will at some stage try that again. I certainly enjoy using the silicone when it's been added to my medium instead of to my paint, so I will be doing a bit more of that as well. That is it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.